trying to find a way to come into my situation, but you should know that
just you're tan here, so you don't need, like most people have to go all the way down. Yeah, about halfway. Okay. And I even kind of go behind the ears. Yeah, no, it's too bad. Are you kidding? You would, oh my God, amazing.
I'm gonna go get the book in it. I'm gonna get the book. Let me go get her the book. Works great.
Have a problem, I will take it there. When it comes to my man, please don't be someone. Surgery is a holiday, and urge is an anniversary. You should think about the time you waste, cause my last name ain't gold train. Cause if it is good, I got it. If I need to heat it up, I got fire. Make sure I'm the best for him, for showing. He's running home to me for it, and he knows whatever he wants that I'm with it. And he knows the perfect place to come get it. And he knows that every woman is in me. Oh, back and just let me be. I got the free.
Break your food into little pieces. Don't even eat. Never touch outside ever. And use a straw. No.
You look unreal.
Like, well, I haven't done her hair yet, but get up closer to the camera.
That's good. Yeah, and then point your chin down and look up at yours. There you go. There you go.
I want to get in some my hair.
That's awesome.
Really? It's that close?
Well, you can use this to zoom in and out like that.
Is the light really pretty on that though?
Ridiculous. If you saw this, Kailea.
No, stop. I'm gonna cry.
No, you freaking better not cry. I'll get so mad. Wait, your boob's coming out.
Sorry. I don't hear.
You gotta do your hair.
Okay.
You gotta.
Wait, I can't even see
Her hair's
anymore.
not done.
But
I just wanted like a pretty one just to show her eyes, like a real close-up kind of eye
Sure.
thing.
Sure.
No, look at her. What am I gonna see her face?
Oh my god. This is like unreal. Oh my god, I'm shaking. It's unreal. I'm like, I feel like I'm having a seizure. I mean, like, I'm just being realistic right now.
Here, look.
I can't even like swallow. Something medically is happening.
What did you just
to me.
do here?
It's called excitement and
look.
overjoy.
You watch.
Oh my god, my heart. Oh my god, this is like a person that you make up on the computer. Like I'm like somebody's dream girl right now.
Really quick, come here, look, hurry.
Kai, look at me and smile very fast.
I just like, I can't. What?
Oh my god. Oh, that's stunning.
I can't believe it. I don't, it went away.
Here,
I just want to stare at it forever.
Oh. I can make it really, really big. Like,
I know, absolutely phenomenal.
there.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at you.
I know. Is it, wait.
Oh my god.
Me. Like, we have to think of a different name for me. My alter ego.
Isn't that crazy?
I have like the chills and everything.
Okay, get to your hair really fast and let's start shooting.
Okay.
90s on 9.
You're looking for a nice color. I'm sorry guys, it's a little stressy. It's just, I want to get this done and everybody knows it's already like, going to be pretty fun like when we shoot.
I am like a different person.
I need to get you.
I feel like my name should be
Hold on.
different.
Come here.